Make it simple. For me, I don't know why testosterone cream helped. I've referred a lot of patients to my doctor. They've gotten help dramatically with it. It's I have to say this is the only cure I possibly know for me. It's anecdotal because it's just me, but boy, did it change my life. It changed my life. I look at that bottle now. I swear to you guys that I look at that bottle, and every time I look at that bottle, I say I get to start a brand new day today again. And I look at it. It's a blue bottle. It's this big, and before it's almost like a ritual for me now. It's like my morning prayer. I look and say, this allows me to go to work. This allows me to have the best time of my life with my child. This allows me to be a father and a mother. I'm a father, a husband, and a business owner. This thing gives me life. And so, like, I don't take this stuff lightly. And that's why I do take care of my body. That's why I take care of my mental well-being, because I got a new lease on life. And I get exhausted by these guys. I have a really close friend of mine who um, is I don't want to get too deep into him, but he saw my body and the changes, and he goes, "Well, of course you're on testosterone. This is you're cheating." Well, he ended up getting on it, didn't change his diet, didn't change the way he sleeps. He's metabolically a mess. He's overweight, his guts out, and he's saying, "Oh, I think testosterone is making me bloated." And he's changing his protocol constantly. And I'm looking at him, and I'm 11% body fat. I'm lean and I'm fit. And I'm like, and I told him, I said, "Do you think it's the testosterone, or do you think that it's because of the metabolic syndrome that you have?" And now he's on a CPAP machine. He's not sleeping because his neck got too big. Guys, like, you have a new lease on life. Don't mess around with this stuff. This is powerful stuff. You got a Ferrari. Stop putting crappy gas in it. Like, this is it. You found your strength. And it really does bother me when I see people that are in our groups that are constantly changing their protocol and all that stuff. And when I say something that's free and simple, sleep better, eat better, and work out, we can do that later. I want to find the magic pill from Dr. DeVos or Dave Lee or something. Stop. So I'm sorry about the ranting, but I think this is really important to say.
Consider becoming a channel member to benefit from several perks. And check out all the things I'm associated with. The Shop Test store for insulin syringes, alcohol swabs and 10cc glass vials. My ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Testosterone Cream. Mizumi Skincare. Online pharmacy NP Labs. And multiple workout programs that I designed myself.